Hey, what's going on, you guys? And welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm Marquise, Meda, joined by Allie, and I love a good hands-on experience. So, Allie, we got a colorful apparatus in front of us. What's going on?
Yeah, so we have origami going on in the Hive, our makerspace, presented by the Isaacs family. And here I have some different colored paper that we can use to make origami hearts today. Have you ever made origami?
Maybe once, many moons ago. So I'm a little bit rusty.
So do you think we can try it out together?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, I'll sort of guide you. First, you have to pick out your colored paper.
I'll go red.
I'll pick this nice green color.
Okay.
So we are going to we're going to fold that diagonally, and we're going to make a nice little triangle right over there. We also have these bone folders, so if you want a nice crisp line, you can really kind of smooth out those edges right over there.
Bada bing, bada bang.
Perfect. All right. And then we're going to fold it again diagonally, make another triangle. Perfect. So the art of origami is essentially, it is the art of folding paper, and we are able to create different kinds of shapes and different figures without cutting or having to glue anything, just by folding.
Cool.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold that right over there to that horizontal line. That's perfect. Very nice, just like that. And then we're going to take this other corner that's underneath, and we're going to fold it up all the way just like that. And then a nice crease just like that. Let's take a look at how you're doing. Yeah, looks good so far. All right, perfect. Now we're going to take one of these little flaps, and you see that crease that we made right over there, that vertical crease? We're going to go ahead and fold that.
Okay, I can start I'm starting to see it come together now.
Exactly, perfect, just like that. And we're going to do it to the other side too. We're going to make sure that folds out just like that. Can you see that heart shape coming along?
There we go.
Perfect. What do you think we have to do next?
These
Yeah, we're
going
to have to go ahead and fold that little triangle down just like that. We're getting that more rounded shape right over there. Perfect. All right. Now, our makerspace is designed for older children, teens, and adults so that we can work with our own two hands and we can create some absolutely beautiful projects. So right now we have origami and we have bookbinding going on in our makerspace. Let's see, let's take a look at our heart. Did you finish? Let's take a look how it looks.
I think
let's
yours
see how
looks
it
a little bit better than mine.
No, yours is fantastic. What are you talking about? This is perfect. You can give this to any of your loved ones. Very nice. I love it.
Fitting for February, we just had Valentine's Day too, so if you have a late Valentine, you want to deliver an origami heart too, well now you know how to do it, right?
Perfect. Thank you very much. This is fantastic. You did a great job.
Thank you. I think you did a little bit better than me. But either way, if you guys want to learn how to fold origami, the Orlando Science Center is a perfect place to do so, and all throughout the month of February, we're also highlighting Spark Month as well.
Right, exactly. So you can spark your love of science by coming over to our makerspace and make a little origami heart.
Perfect. Hope to see you guys rather soon.